There was an old woman and she lived in the wood. Wheel-ya, wall-ya. There was an old woman and she lived in the wood, down by the river Salya. Well, she had a baby 3 months old. Wheel-ya, wall-ya. She had a baby 3 months old, down by the river Salya. And she had a penknife long and sharp. Wheel-ya, wall-ya. She had a penknife long and sharp, down by the river Salya. Then she stuck the penknife in the baby's heart. Wheel-ya, wall-ya. She stuck the penknife in the baby's heart, down by the river Salya. There were 3 loud knocks coming knocking on the door. Wheel-ya, wall-ya. 3 loud knocks coming knocking on the door, down by the river Salya. There were 2 policemen and a special branchman. Wheel-ya, wall-ya. 2 policemen and a special branchman, down by the river Salya. So they put the rope around her neck. Wheel-ya, wall-ya. They put the rope around her neck, down by the river Salya. Then they pulled the rope and she got hung. Wheel-ya, wall-ya. They pulled the rope and she got hung, down by the river Salya. Well, that was the end of the woman in the wood. Wheel-ya, wall-ya. And that was the end of the baby too, down by the